Cyclocopters are a new concept of drones that has recently shown success in development, garnering significant interest from leading robotic institutions and the U.S. Army. The commercially available drones most people are familiar with are referred to as polycopters. Polycopters typically have 4 or 6 equally spaced helicopter-style blades. They have a wide range of uses, from recreational to military, with drones recently being used by risk frontiers to analyze disaster areas after natural disasters such as volcanic lahars. Though these types of drones offer a wide variety of applications and already play a significant role in society, cyclocopters are viewed as the next stage in their evolution, with the potential ability to extensively survey during natural disasters and perform the risk assessment. The cyclocopter concept was developed about 100 years ago. However, only recently have the materials and technology been available to turn this futuristic-looking machine into reality. Cyclocopters can be visualized as an aerial paddle boat, having 2 or 4 cycloidal rotors. The rotors stir the air into vortices, creating lift, thrust and control. Each rotor has multiple aerofoils, whose pitch or angle can be adjusted in synchronization to move the cyclocopter in any direction, perpendicular to the cyclorotor. There is also a tail propeller to keep the drone level. Hence the aerodynamics can be viewed as that of an insect, like a dragonfly. The cyclocopter design has several advantages. Unlike conventional drones which, like a helicopter, tilt in the direction of flight, cyclocopters remain parallel. Their engineering design also provides them with better maneuverability, forward speed, and altitude limit, as well as making them less disturbed by wind gusts. They are also much quieter, having lower blade tip speeds which are responsible for the typical noise from bladed aircraft. However, the most significant advantage is that these drones actually perform better when scaled down. The vortex created by the cyclorotor configuration gets proportionally more powerful as the size shrinks. This makes cyclocopters the leading candidate for miniaturized drones, with the ability to withstand strong winds during natural disasters and survey inaccessible areas. Thanks for watching. Do hit the like button and subscribe to Stuffbox Tech for more intriguing tech videos like this.